Looking to add some excitement to your next event? Party Rentals Pros has you covered with our top-notch bounce house rentals in Carmel, Indiana. Whether it's a birthday party, school event, or family reunion, our bounce houses bring joy and fun to every gathering. With a wide selection of themes and sizes, you'll find the perfect bounce house to match your party's vibe. Our bounce houses are not just for kids, they're perfect for any event where fun and excitement are on the agenda. From vibrant designs to classic styles, our range guarantees a hit at your next gathering. Safety and cleanliness are our top priorities. All our bounce houses are thoroughly cleaned and inspected before each rental, ensuring a safe environment for your kids. At Party Rentals Pros, we handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on enjoying your event. Our professional team ensures quick setup and takedown, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Planning an event? Let us help you make it extraordinary. Contact us today to reserve your bounce house and ensure your event is memorable. Visit us at www.partyrentalspros.com Bounce Houses Waterslides Carmel IN, or call us at 317-520-8898 to book your bounce house today. Party Rentals Pros, where every bounce brings a smile and every event becomes a celebration.